Breaking news. Trump denied but now confirmed is buying $2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin through an IPO raise with Trump Media. Now the intent is to buy Bitcoin. He could raise 2.5 billion and do nothing with it, but I'm sure he's going to follow through on this strategy. And the reason is not only because everyone is doing it. I'll explain why in a second. GameStop bought $512 million worth of Bitcoin. We also have Vivek, who was previously the head of Doge, raised 750 million to buy Bitcoin also. Right now, the Bitcoin conference is going on in Vegas, and the crypto czar said that US of A can buy more Bitcoin. And of course, that's confirmed by Senator Lummis, saying that Bitcoin Act can go through Congress next week to buy close to 1 million Bitcoin. It has to be net neutral, meaning that we don't incur more debt for buying Bitcoin, but that's going to be an easy fix. Now, this may be the reason why everyone's running to buy Bitcoin, because the US debt is ballooning. Now, Scott Bessent sees stablecoins as a way to help the burden of the US of A. But should debt rises and should the Fed cut rates, then the best hedge against the dollar weakening is, of course, you guessed it, digital gold, which is Bitcoin. So buy more Bitcoin like Trump, the USA, GameStop, everyone's doing, Vivek's doing, and also get in on stable coins, which is going to be used to buy up US debt. And you can get in on that with the Circle IPO, which was just announced yesterday at 6.7 billion valuation, which is quite low in my opinion, because Tether itself prints about $1 billion a quarter in net profit. Now, Circle is nowhere near close to Tether, which is the global stablecoin, but Circle looking to raise a lot of money to do some damage. My bet is on Circle. Let's go. And of course, we have to talk about meme coins. If you did not know, Labubu is having a Beanie Baby moment. You might have seen them on the Met Gala on celebrities like Rihanna, Dua Lipa, Lisa from Blackpink. These are these cute, cuddly little dolls that is sold out. And because people couldn't buy the dolls, guess what they did? They bought the meme coin instead, which rocketed to $50 million, a 17x from the floor price from just a few days ago. Don't get into Labubu. That was just a meta for last week. And also don't get into Hasbulla, who has raised $20 million. He was known to be a rug puller on his previous coin. So definitely, this is just awareness for you guys. What we do like to ship, and no pun intended, is shipped Rekt drinks. That's right. That's the name of the drink that's coming out from the Rekt brand, which we talked about with inside a private community, which did a 6 to 7x from the bottom. And you get to also farm OpenSea points and Abstract points. Yes, that's right. OpenSea is launching a token alongside Abstract blockchain, and you can farm both those platforms alongside the Rekt token itself. So you probably get a triple dip and a physical drink for this. So the last drink sold out within 17 minutes. This one is probably going to sell really, really quickly. So they have a lot of, white listing tiers for you to get involved with. If you hold it NFT, if you buy his previous drinks, and then also 1,000 spots going to be raffled off if you want to get in on this. So people want a triple dip. That's why they're rushing to buy this drink. And this is in collaboration with OpenSea. So, pretty exciting to see OpenSea shipping something. Lastly, we're seeing some NFTs pop up, and there are profits to be made. Because when we caught this, it was sub 1 ETH, and then at its height, it was 2 Ethereum floor price. Did over 350,000 in volume in just one day. And people loving abstract art here, you can see of Pokemon specifically, not AI generated. So, those who are creating, there's not much creativity right now in the world of NFTs, but those who are making a big buck. So if you want to catch these plays alongside many others, then click on the link down below. We go through our private community, what we're buying and selling on a daily basis. In either case, subscribe and follow along. We got 3 market updates for you weekly podcasts, and amazing stuff for you to come. Stay safe out there. We'll see you guys on next one.